Hello friends of the internet, it is Alex, and today I am going to be doing the 10-minute full face makeup challenge, which is a bit of an OG challenge in the makeup beauty community thingo, but I think it will be a fun thing to do because quite often, like on a Friday, Saturday night, I'm in my pajamas in bed and then I get a message from one of my friends being like, hey, let's go out, let's go do something, like you gotta be here now, you got like an hour to get here, sort of something like that. So then I always have to get ready super fast and like do my makeup and get ready and all that in a very limited time. So I thought, like, could I actually do it in just 10 minutes? Could I do like a full face in a very limited amount of time? I don't know. I feel like I might be okay at this. Like, I think what I'm going to struggle with is my eyebrows, because like I'm pretty slow and dodgy at them anyway, and maybe my foundation, because that often takes me a long time to do, or at least to do well. So I don't know how this is actually going to go, because I want to try and do everything. Yeah. So yeah, I guess if you want to see how this turns out, if I manage to do this successfully or if I fail massively, I don't know. We're going to find out together. Yeah, but if you want to find out all of that, just keep on watching. Now, I've got what I think is all my products here that I need. So I'm kind of prepared in that way. Yeah, so I don't think it's cheating. Yeah, so I'm going to be using, okay, I'm just going to try and do what I'd normally do when I'd be getting ready for these type of things. So I'm going to try and use all the same products that I would anyway. And yeah, hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, I'm actually getting nervous now. I don't know why. That seems like such a strange thing to decide to get like nervous about. Just doing my makeup really quickly. Okay. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to do this. So I've got my stopwatch here. Got all my stuff ready to go. Okay, so I am ready to go. 3, 2, 1, and start. Okay, we're going. So I'm gonna go in with primer first because I usually do that. So yeah, just the Revolution of Pore Blur. I'm just gonna put that all over my face really quickly, just like so. Cool, done. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decatur All Nighter Foundation. So I'm probably gonna slow down a lot because I just find that it, I don't know, it's a weird consistency on me. I just don't think it likes my skin very well, but I paid a decent amount for money for this, so I'm going to be using it. And also I think it's definitely the wrong shade for me. I'm used to more darker looks on my skin, so that also works really well. Strange. Okay. Oh, that out of the way. Just like all of a sudden I don't know how to use my brush to do my makeup with, which is fair, you know, that's fine. Oh my gosh, that looks very strange in the viewfinder. It's cool. Gonna blend that out. Oh god, we're only in like 8 minutes something, but I'm still doing my foundation. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with this very like fake beauty blender looking thing from Kmart because it might make it look a bit better. Oh, it's not looking too bad now. Ish. Like that's kind of fine, right? Maybe. I don't know. It's like, it's something. Oh, Snapchat's coming to you. So it's like a very awful looking coverage right now. So moving on. So I'm going to go in with my Nude by Nature Natural Mineral Cover because set it and make it look more like my skin tone. I'm just going to buff that in with my little brush everywhere. Oh god, I don't know how I got. Okay, got 7 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Like maybe I'm actually going okay for time. I don't know if this is good or not. Like I'm always like, Oh gosh, I've made this thing so funny on my face. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Gosh, my skin's so dry. It's not looking pretty. But it's fine. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put that just like through that. Damn. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows next, hopefully I don't fail too much. So going with the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Just gonna, oh gosh. 6 minutes 50 to go. So I'm just gonna kind of do a really quick job. Now, as I said before, I'm not really that, I don't think I'm that great at doing my brows. Like, I look at all these people and they do it so well and so quickly, and I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna, I don't know, do my best. That's all we can ask for, right? Just to do our best. That's fine. It looks kind of cool. We're on 6 minutes. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I mean, okay, to be fair, this probably isn't looking as bad as I thought it was going to look. Especially on my brows. We'll just go with the messy look. Oh, that was a bit dodgy though. I think it's my eyebrows look. I don't know. Oh, that's. I think it's relatively okay, maybe. No. Like just draw a random line and hope for the best. That's all that it is, right? Oh god. You know what? I'm moving on. I don't know what I've just done. I've got 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna contour. Let's do that. Let's get their face done. So, tell me what I'm using. Using the Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. And I'm just going in with these little couple of shades there. Just doing a little bit here. And just kind of, yeah, I'm just trying to, oh, I don't know. Oh gosh. It's like as soon as you start rushing, it's like all of a sudden I don't know how to use any of this stuff. Look at really weird looking lines. It's fine. I'll fix it maybe. Probably not. Into the chin a bit. Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. That looks weird, so I'm just gonna use hopefully there's some powder on this. Just make that not look so weird. That's enough to do. Good enough to do because I have 4 minutes to go. Okay, highlighter. So I'm using the NYX Strobe Genius, and I'm just gonna go in with this one right here. Oh gosh, put that there. There. On my nose. Yeah, kind of in a corner. Ooh. Ow. It's like literally stabbed my eye. That's fine. You know, looks kind of really strange. Oh god, 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm using the, for my eyes, gonna go in with the Tartelette in Bloom. This is like my favorite palette ever. Like, it smells amazing. In my opinion, also looks amazing. And it's just neutrals. Neutrals? Just browns. But you can go a bit more bold if you like. A bit more not so bold. I don't know. Natural. Naturals, I think what I'm trying to mean here. Oh! That's not a clean brush at all. That's fine. That's fine. It's totally fine. Let's put some of that more glittery shade. Look. Getting messages. This is quite annoying. But, oh gosh. 2 minutes 40 to go. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to be okay. I think I am going to be quite okay. You know what? I think I'm just going to leave that is the eyes. That looks pretty good. That's kind of what I normally do. Now I need my mascara, which is on the floor. That's fantastic. Oh. Just ran into the desk. That's cool. Oh, that hurt a lot more than I thought it would. Awesome. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I've got 2 minutes to go, and I'm gonna do this and my lips. So I think I'm okay. Maybe. Here we go. I just noticed that you always pull like the weirdest face when you're doing mascara. I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know why. I don't know why we think it's gonna make it better. But apparently it does. Just kind of like got that everywhere. That's fine. It's totally fine. Oh, sugar. Got a minute 30 to go. And the only lipstick I've got out is a liquid one, which I am not super neat with, surprisingly. You know what? That's fine, that's fine. Almost dropped that again. Okay, a minute to go. Let's get some lipstick on. Yeah, so I'm using Jeffree Star's Gemini. Better tell you what I'm doing. Okay. Oh look, it's messy, but it's gonna have to do. Why did I choose the liquid lip today? I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay, let's just keep making them bigger. Maybe, oh no. You know what? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So hopefully there's a bit of foundation left on this brush, and I might try and clean that up. I reckon this alarm will go off in a second. Ooh, and there we go. We are all done. And I've got like powder all over my phone. That's fine. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is what I've managed to come up with in 10 minutes. To be fair, I don't think I did that bad at all. Like, my eyebrows could be a lot better. Yeah, so like, they don't look fantastic. Like, that's for sure. And to be fair, my lips don't look that great either. But you know what? I would be satisfied and happy to run out the door looking like this. Like, it's not that bad. So yeah, I guess this is me completing the 10-minute makeup challenge. It was fun. Like, I had a lot of fun doing that. I think as soon as you put like a time limit on yourself that's quick, that you start stressing and then you start doing weird stuff. Like dropping everything. Even though like I made sure that I had everything out here nice and neatly so I would be able to do it a bit better, I still managed to drop everything. But at least that I know that in future I don't need to have the whole half an hour to do my makeup and get ready. I can do it in 10 minutes if I'm really, really trying to. So yeah. I recommend you guys all try this because this is fun. Like, just put a timer on and see how quickly you can do your makeup. Like, it's a challenge, but not as hard as I thought it could be. So, food for thought, I guess. Yeah, so if you guys actually enjoyed watching me try this challenge, had a bit of fun, please do not hesitate to give me a bit of a thumbs up, you know, comment down below, hit subscribe while you're there, that'd be cool too. But I guess, yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!